Hi Linux lovers, today I wanted to talk about the screen utility, which helps us save a lot of time by detaching your session from the terminal window it is running in. Let me show you what I mean by this. If you have a terminal and you start a command, let's say it is an installer that will run for several hours, and it's the last thing you do on a busy workday, and you go home afterwards. So let's say you start some program. In this case, we use GLX gears just as a stand-in for it. You start this program, and then overnight you get a network issue, or you accidentally close your terminal. What happens? You see, the program will also stop. Not so if you use the screen utility. Type screen, type enter to acknowledge the copyright, and run GLX gears again. And now let's imagine the next network outage happens, or you accidentally close the terminal. Then the screen just runs on. So this is worth installing it, right? So to install it, use the command sudo apt-get install screen. So you now know my password. It only contains of stars. And you see that I had a screen already installed. That is because I wanted to show it to you, but this is how you would get it installed. And now that we are on it, let's look around a bit. Screen -ls lists all sessions, and we see there's still one session hanging around. So let's attach to it using the command screen -x. And we see the output from this GLX gears is still available. And this is something that you should like, because that means you do not lose any error messages, you lose no messages, you lose nothing, even though network flakiness has detached your console from the process running on it. This is what I call a terminal multiplexer. And you can do much more with it. Imagine a colleague wants to look over your virtual shoulder and also logs into this server where this installer or whatever program is running. He also says screen -ls, also says screen -x, is attached to the same session like you are, and can put in the same commands. For example, he could now use the Control-C key combination to stop this. And could then type uptime, and the command would synchronously be seen by you and also the output. So this is a good methodology to teach others how to use the Linux command line. And also, now that we are at it, we can type Control-A, Shift-H, and now everything that I type will be logged into a screen log. Let's say uname -a. Type exit to leave the screen, and now say ls-ltrh, and we find the screen log.0 here in the home directory. Get it, and we see how you typed uname -a and how you typed even exit. So in 20 years of practical Linux experience, this was what I used the screen command for, not being lost by network outages, keeping the output in a console, collaborating with others, and also logging what I do, including the output to log files. Hope you like it, and see you again in the next video.